Okay folks, today we're going to do a video tutorial on Bluehost functions. And as we said folks, I mean, you think about it, $83 for a custom domain, and as we said, you want a domain by keyword, so go to the Google keyword tool there, not by your personal name or your business name or any stupid buzzwords, you see. So you want it by keywords, all we're saying. But Bluehost, $83 a year for a custom keyworded domain that if you set your site up right, it is going to get high organic search traffic. Now, not only that, we want to also encourage all of you to go to our website and take advantage of our WordPress setup and our WordPress SEO series, folks. It is dynamic. WordPress is absolutely the easiest content management platform in the history of business. We encourage you to go there and check that out, especially those of you who are just starting up and you are a one woman or a one man show, or even if it's just a couple of people. It is so simple. We lay it out from A to Z, folks. So what we're going to focus on, once you sign up, you'll be taking the cPanel. But however, what we're going to do is we're going to dig in depth on something that is just really near and dear to our hearts. We're going to go AskSWOTs because this is what we had, well, what we had installed anyway. This is web hosting. This is in our main web hosting account. We actually just left this up so we could do this video tutorial series. We uninstalled the websites, a couple of our web properties anyway, not all of them certainly, but a couple of them, just so we could do our video tutorial series on WordPress setup and obviously this Bluehost setup. So